Test natin tong WEM92 Beretta. So guys, naka metal slide, metal yung frame. So threaded yung outer barrel. Pwede kayo maglagay ng compensator or tracer attachment. So ayan, may WE markings dun sa grip. And then magazine capacity is 26 rounds. And then yung selector niya is ambi. So safety sa baba. Bababa mo lang tong selector. And then yung hammer niya is metal. Ayan. So test natin. By the way, available in color black, DE, at saka itong silver. So price nito is 6,400. Ano pa rin siya, budget meal pa rin guys. So ito yung made in Taiwan na units. So kung may mga budget kayo, go na kayo dito sa mga WE ano natin, items natin. Okay, test natin. 363, 353, for details, mag-PM kayo sa Mavs Hobby Shop.